When I applied for the residency, I felt it will be a great time to develop this concept even further and trying to explore this handmade process in this digital era that we live in.
カモフラージュシリーズは、環境や、周囲の街並みなどを衣服に、カモフラージュしたアートピース的な、ファッションです。
I grew up close to the Austrian-Slovenian border. There's this mountain range, the Karawangs, which combine the Austrian-Slovenian landscape. And I was looking a bit into climate change, how the shift of the tree lines is also like affected by the climate change. Yeah, you can really see a shift.
いつも私は素材を使うときはその場所にある、端切れや
For this project, I've been using Slovenian wool with the end-dyed colors.
I mainly used the wood workshop, but also went to the CNC workshop.
For me, the boundaries are the digital and the handmade side of the project, and the friction is when they both meet.
摩擦を衣服を通して表現したいと思っています。リブリアナの3つの時代、メテルコバや、最も新しいセンターロブ、そしてヨジェ・プリチニクの建築にフォーカスし
So the final result of the project will be 4 tufted pieces.
It's not only that wooden table as a physical thing, there's also a narrative behind, there's a story behind, and that's what I like to show in the final piece or in the exhibition.
私は、この3つのカモフラージュされた写真とさらにそれ、モデルが着用した3つの、衣服を展示します。
It's been a great time to be at Center Rog. It's such a dream place for creatives. So I'm very grateful to be here.